Hey my friends, it's Susanna with the July Challenge. This month we're going to practice a life skill, the ability to get from the floor to standing and the standing to the floor. But the thing is, I'm not going to tell you exactly how to do it. I'm going to get us to do core strengthening, leg strengthening, basic exercise, sit to stands first. So sit to stand is part of the challenge from a chair. And then we'll practice any way you like. You can use a chair, you can use your hands, you can use nothing, just your body, whatever works for you. And therefore, it's more of a practice of just having had the experience of being on the floor, standing, coming back on the floor, not making it into like any kind of exact yoga routine. You know what I mean? So it's just real life. Okay. You ready? We're going to start with sit stands, and then I'm going to demonstrate a couple of up and downs myself, how I'm going to do it, but you're going to do it your way. And let's get to it. All right? Start with a chair. Sitting in a chair. Root down, so have your feet firmly on the ground. Have really good posture, okay? There's no point in doing this if you're rounded. Let's have great posture to support the spine, and so you can achieve that by pressing up through the crown, relaxing the shoulders, and being near the edge of your seat. Don't be sitting back and rounding like this, okay? No, sit tall, right? So once you're here, nice and grounded, you can cross your heart, and drop the chin slightly, you're gonna jut back a little bit. So you're gonna think of yourself as lifting up rather than pushing forward with momentum, okay? Using leg strength, core strength, and breath. Inhale, squeeze your glutes at the top. Hinge to come back down. So sit up and squeeze and take your butt back. So this is a life skill we really need, right? To stand up and sit down. And by practicing this exercise, we're strengthening our legs, strengthening our glute muscles and core. Very important. Inhale up, exhale down, push and hinge slightly. Lift and lower. Last two. Inhale it up, exhale it back. Excellent. And you might challenge yourself some days this month to do that routine rather fast and give yourself a little bit of a power surge with your sit to stands. Now we're going to go from standing to the floor. Going to keep the chair nearby just for demonstration purposes. Let's say it would be easier for you, just because it would be, to use a chair. So that's fine today, this month. All right, you're standing. You might have a chair nearby. You can use it or not. I am going to use it for this first round, just for support. So I'm holding on to the back of the chair, or perhaps I'd lower down and take the support of the lower part of the chair, and then bring my knees to the floor, lower hips, and swing legs in front. So now I'm sitting. Now I would like to come up. Now let's say I feel a little shaky, and I can't just rise up easily. I'm going to walk myself into an all fours position for stability. And then the chair is near me. I'm going to push up to the chair and use that chair to help bring me to standing. Great, so that's an option if you want to do that. Now, I won't be using the chair. This next one, I'm going to be stepping one leg back, dropping the knee, and dropping the other knee. Lowering hips and rolling my hips to one side and swinging the legs in front. Now to rise up, bring the legs back behind me, come up to the two knees again, and then using a little bit of momentum, a little core, step a foot forward and rise up. Now I'm standing. In my last version, I have the ability, you may or may not, to come down with crossed legs without my hands. Now that's tricky if we have a history of knee problems. I do have a history of knee problems, but at the moment, my knees are good. So let's hope they stay that way. So I'll lower down like so, cross-legged. And then normally what I would do is swing my legs around and come up, because that's my easy way, as I showed you in the last version. I am going to, because I'm on a nice pad today, by the way, I'm doing this on a very nice cushion mat. I'm going to give myself that version where I rock forward with the crossed knees and no hands. I think I can do this. I am not recommending you try this necessarily, but here I go. You do you. I'm going to come up, and then now I'm up, and then from here, without my hands, I roll back and stand up. Whoa, check it out. So I don't mean to show off, and I don't want anyone to try something that's not going to work for their knees or hips or all your body parts. You do you. Again, just practice getting from the floor to standing. Don't worry about technique. Just have some fun, but get your brain in the game. All right, thanks for joining me. So if you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge, this is the challenge for the month of July. We are a group of like-minded women helping to support each other to build bone strength safely and exercise regularly. And so you can go to Facebook, you can request to join. We'd love to have you as part of our support group. Everyone, if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up. You know I like your thumbs up. Like the video. And if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, Forever Yoga with Susanna, click Forever Yoga with Susanna. Subscribe. That's what you got to do. Please, what are your thoughts, comments, observations, experience? Go below, leave a comment, or jump over to Facebook and talk to me there. If you'd like to learn more and prepare more on the technique on how to safely get from from the floor to standing, I've created a whole sun salutation sequence that's in a longer video that I've already put out there. You may have seen it, but I'll put a link to that video right at the end of this video. So practice. Get up with Susanna. It's a life skill we all need. Hopefully not, but just in case. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.